Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the lock screen clock on OPPO A60. To do this, first we need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to go to home screen and lock screen, scroll down, and here you will find the clock style option. Tap on the clock style, and here you can choose to have the vertical or horizontal clock. Now, there are not many options, of course, as you can see. So if you want to have a custom lock screen clock, then you can also apply a new theme that will be applied to the lock screen in order to have a custom one. As a downside, of course, you will not be able to use a custom wallpaper. But if you are interested in the clock itself, then you can go to the theme store, and then over here we can go to category, and then over here we have lock screens, and let's say I'm gonna choose static, and over here you can see that we have a bunch of different clocks. Of course, they are themes, but they changed the clock itself as well. So if you want to use one, then simply press apply, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.